Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela and today I will be making Rice Krispies inspired by the old-fashioned candy shop where delightful treats are made, Magic Kingdom's Confectionery. Now the ingredients that we will be using today are Rice Krispies, we have our mini marshmallows, we have our cooking spray, butter, and finally, for that making full effect, we have our dark chocolate. We have our cookie cutter here as well, so I'll be placing the link down below where I purchased it. So like always, I will be showing you the process, the final outcomes out of this. So please make sure to hit that thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more. Enjoy! As soon as you have your Rice Krispies ready, just go ahead and spray a good amount of cooking spray into the counters. Wipe off the excess oil so it will be easier to go ahead and cut your Rice Krispie treats with the cookie cutter.
You are going on a run.
Okay, so we're going to be using 1/3 of dark chocolate. Place it in the microwave for 30 seconds in the defrost option until it is fully melted. So keep moving it, keep placing it in the microwave until it's fully melted. And then we can go ahead and add it into our Rice Krispie treat. Hey guys, welcome back. So, look what I made. So the one at the top was with mocha sauce, and then the one on the bottom was a mix that I did, like the chocolate one. And then these are the original ones. All right, let's give this a try. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna eat Rice Krispies with a fork. I know, who eats Rice Krispies with a freaking fork? Okay, so cheers. Very chewy. Well, it was just the right amount of marshmallows that I put in. I made 2, 4, 5 little batches, little crispy treats. I'm gonna place down below where I found the cookie cutter, and then the chocolate. The chocolate is amazing, like it's just the right amount. It balances right, like the crispy treats. Honestly, I'm not too of a big fan of Rice Krispie Treats. I've never liked them. I don't know why. It's just too much sugar for me. But this batch was amazing. I made them this week because my boyfriend actually requested me to do them. It's his favorite Disney treat, and hello, I'm more than happy to make them. So the same for you. If you wanted to see a treat for me to make, I will be more than happy to. Just comment down below what you would like me to do. But yeah, this was such an easy treat to make. 3 or 4 ingredients and that was it. But it was very simple and fun. So if you have kids and want to do something with them, I recommend you to do this treat. And more if you're a Disney fan. Hello, who doesn't like Disney? But you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, all right? Take care.